How to enable dark mode in Brave browser. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So when it comes to activating the dark mode on the Brave browser, there are two options. The first one will enable the dark mode on the app, and the second one will enable the dark mode on the websites. Let's go through both of them, starting with how to enable the dark mode on the websites. Open up the Brave browser app, then click on the three dots at the bottom right corner of the screen, then click on settings. And here you need to scroll down to the display section, and from there click on appearance. You will see the third option right here. It says enable night mode, and it's still experimental. So what you need to do is you need to click on the toggle next to it to turn it on, and you will get this pop-up right here that tells you your changes will take effect the next time you relaunch Brave, and it gives you the option to relaunch it later or relaunch it now. Let's relaunch it now and see how it goes. This option right here will enable the dark mode on the websites, as you can see right here. Every website you will visit, it will appear in dark mode. Now let's go and see how you can enable the dark mode on the app itself. Click on those three dots at the bottom right again, then click on settings, scroll down to the display section, click on appearance, and then click on theme. And here you will be able to change the appearance of the app to dark mode using two options. The first one is the system default, and as you can see it tells you turn on dark mode when your device's dark theme or battery saver is on. And the second option is the dark appearance, which will set the entire app to dark mode, as you can see right here, even if your phone is on light mode. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can enable and turn on and activate the dark mode on the Brave browser. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.